The brands winning at influencer marketing aren't spending more than you, but they might be planning more. It's a $24 billion industry, but over half its consumers don't trust what they're seeing. The brands winning this lottery aren't just running campaigns, they're building something people genuinely believe in. In the next 90 seconds, I'll share insights from Harvard that removes this gamble. They found that trust isn't about reach or celebrity, it's about alignment across 5 specific dimensions. If you miss or skip one, your entire influencer campaign will fall flat. The first dimension is expertise. Marketers shouldn't just hire for credentials, hire for consistency. Audiences trust the creator who shows up every week, not the celebrity who happened to take the deal. Canon got this right. They didn't hire a professional photographer. They partnered with Chamberlain, someone who's genuinely used their cameras for years. It came across real because it really was. The second dimension is connectedness. Marketers sometimes confuse reach for relationships and influence. Bumble didn't fall into this trap. They didn't pick the biggest influencer in 2025. They chose comedian Amelia Dimoldenberg, creator of Chicken Shop Date, for their influencer campaign. They did this because her brand identity is built around authentic, two-way connections with her audience. That alignment drove engagement that no ad buy could replicate. So when signing up a brand influencer, always check comments and engagements as well as their follower count. The third dimension is integrity. This is the one that surprises the most marketers. Audiences don't mind that influencers get paid, but they do mind when it's hidden. So make disclosure a requirement. Transparent metrics build more trust, not less. The fourth is originality. Marketers should get out of the way. They should not write the script and instead write the brief. Dove proved this in 2025 with their ShareTheFirst campaign. It was their first campaign made entirely from creator content, no studios, and no expensive production. It generated 1 billion organic engagements because they gave creators the freedom to be authentic. The fifth and final dimension is transparency. As marketers, we shouldn't demand perfection. We should demand honesty instead. Dove did this. They took creators to the Atacama desert, the driest place on earth, to test their body wash in real conditions. No studio, no retouching, just their product meeting the real world. A real test in the real world closes the trust gap faster than any polished claim. So there you have it. 5 dimensions, 1 framework: expertise, connectedness, integrity, originality, and transparency. When these align, influencer marketing stops being advertising. It becomes recommendations. And there's nothing more powerful in marketing than that.